We are here at the
jungle.
looking for fruits. This is the fruit plant, but the fruits are over. So we'll be heading somewhere else. My mouth. The scenery. Come, let's go. We'll be checking out somewhere place. I will show you. Jump. Come on, it's your turn. Whoa! See the beauty of the village, the nature. Wow. Are you happy?
Yep.
We are searching for this. Joe, some more then. Wow. Wait. So, what do we call this in English? I don't know. I have to Google it and check it out. Yeah. Good. See this one? It's a place to rest. So when we go to battlefield or work, villagers used to rest here. So this is a resting place. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good?
Yes.
Okay.
Look that side.
Wow. Woo.
Jumping.
We are having a good weekend. Hey,
Nice.
unplanned trip.
Trip.
We have no money to go to cities, metropolitan cities, but we have our leg, and our healthy body to go and visit.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Correct.
Am I right?
Correct.
Okay. Now we will be going back because it's about to rain. See the sky. Whoa! Are you scared? See, that hill. It's the another village, my neighboring village, and that's Joiter, and this is Nungsho, and this is Humbung village. So this is a short, unplanned vlog.
This side,
This side.
This side, then my field.
Oh, your petty field.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, just here, huh? So we are just having a good time here without any plan. And what do you want to say to them?
Subscribe.
Wow, that's good. What can we ask for more? If you go down there are a lot more beautiful places out there. There's a river and beautiful places out there. We don't need to spend money to get this. We just have to walk, travel, and enjoy it. Free nature's gift.
Yummy.
Tasty?
Yep.
Tasty?
Yes.
Tasty?
Yes.
We don't need money to get this. Free of course, free gift from nature. Thank you, nature.
Thank you, nature.
We need time to run.
Yup.
Even if we get wet, it's fine. Huh? What do you call in your language?
Harate.
Another one from different
Here.
plant. Here.
So yummy, huh?
So yummy, right?
Yes.
We are not telling lies, right?
Yes.
Really, right? What one?
Oh, but
Not yet ripe.
But
When it's ripe, we'll come and pluck it again.
hello, mister.
Yo,
What are you taking?
I'm taking fruits plants. See,
Oh, so nice.
I forgot the name of the fruit, but I will show you.
If it is grown up, right?
Oh, we'll plant at home.
Oh, then it will be nice.
No knife. Nothing.
Wow.
Wow, see,
Wow.
there's another big one. Try. I will. Wait. We'll try.
One,
One,
two, three.
Finally, we got two.
Yes.
So we'll take another fruit since it's sunny again. We can't predict our place weather. See, we are climbing
At the tree.
at the tree.
But don't get it.
Are you scared?
Nope.
Okay.
But
This is the fruit. Okay.
here. finally get this one. The fruit.
Yeah, for planting, and this is
Eating.
fruits, right?
Yes.
It's sunny again. Let's go. Hey, let's go home. Way back home. Mình nó xe.
Hả?
Cho tao là.
Cho đó vậy.
This is paddy field. Getting ready to plant.
But
We pluck these plants. It's evergreen as well as it gives fruits, so 2 in 1. Finally, we have reached our locality. Are you tired, Chloe?
hot leg.
Your heart? Oh, so this is the end. See, we are getting go. We are getting too big. We took 4 plants.